Did you know? Gorillas live in groups called troops, typically led by a dominant male known as a silverback. Though it's hard to believe, they are primarily herbivores, feeding on leaves, stems, fruit, and flowers. A single adult gorilla can consume up to 40 pounds of vegetation, or about 8 chihuahuas worth of food. Despite their impressive size and formidable strength, gorillas are predominantly gentle creatures known for their calm demeanor. Instead of engaging in aggressive behavior, they typically use displays of strength, such as chest beating, vocalizations, or physical posturing, to warn of potential threats rather than an invitation to fight. Subscribe for more animal facts. Did you know? Giraffes are the tallest land animals, with males reaching heights of 5.5 meters or 18 feet, and females about 4.3 meters or 14 feet. They are social animals and are often found in loose groups called towers. These groups can consist of females, their young, and males. Their tongues are darkly colored, which may help prevent sunburn while they feed, and are up to 46 centimeters long, or about the size of your schlong. Unfortunately, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, currently lists them as vulnerable due to habitat loss and poaching. Subscribe for more animal facts. Did you know? Grizzly bears are opportunistic omnivores, consuming a varied diet that includes berries, nuts, fish, and small mammals. They also have a muscular hump on their shoulders, which is crucial for digging and foraging for food in the wild. Think Notre Dame but strongmen edition. Despite their size, grizzlies can reach speeds up to 56 kilometers or 35 miles per hour, making them agile runners. Unfortunately, grizzly bear populations have declined due to habitat loss and human-wildlife conflicts, leading to conservation efforts to protect them. Subscribe for more animal facts. Did you know? Guanacos are South American camelids closely related to llamas, alpacas, and vicuñas. They are social animals that typically live in groups called herds, consisting of females, their young, and a dominant male. Still, they have a mean side and can win any spitting competition. Guanacos are herbivores that primarily graze on grasses, shrubs, and other vegetation in their natural habitat. Just like their desertic relatives, they have adapted to their environment and can survive with minimal water intake, obtaining moisture from the plants they eat. Subscribe for more animal facts. Did you know? Gentoo penguins primarily inhabit sub-Antarctic islands, including the Falkland Islands, South Georgia, and the Antarctic Peninsula. Gentoo penguins are monogamous and typically return to the same nesting site yearly. Henry VIII could have learned a thing or two. Females usually lay 2 eggs, and both parents take turns incubating them for about 34 to 36 days in their nest, which they build from pebbles and other materials. The IUCN currently classifies them as least concern, but some populations are threatened by climate change and fishing activities. Subscribe for more animal facts. Did you know? The Urial are known for their impressive curved horns, which can grow up to 3 feet long in males. Their coats are often reddish-brown or grayish, which helps them blend into their natural environment. Males are generally larger than females, weighing between 90 to 200 pounds, while females typically weigh around 60 to 120 pounds. Urial sheep are considered near-threatened due to habitat loss, hunting, and competition with domestic livestock. Conservation efforts are in place in some regions to protect their populations. Subscribe for more animal facts. Did you know? Arctic foxes are relatively small, weighing between 2.7 to 11 kilograms, 6.6 to 24.2 pounds, and measuring about 46 to 71 centimeters, 18 to 28 inches in length. Arctic foxes are skilled hunters. They often use a unique pouncing technique to catch prey hidden beneath the snow. Their keen sense of hearing lets them detect prey movements under the snow, helping them locate food even in harsh conditions. While some populations are stable, Arctic foxes face threats from climate change, habitat loss, and competition with larger predators like red foxes. Subscribe for more animal facts. Did you know? American alligators are ectothermic, cold-blooded reptiles. They rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. Adult American alligators can reach lengths of up to 4 to 4.5 meters, or 13 to 15 feet, although some individuals have been reported to exceed 5.8 meters. or 19 feet. For reference, that is 2.5 Shaquille O'Neals. In the wild, American alligators can live for 35 to 50 years, and some individuals in captivity have been known to live over 65 years. They were once listed as endangered due to hunting and habitat loss. Conservation efforts have helped their populations recover, and they are now classified as least concern. Subscribe for more animal facts. Did you know dolphins communicate using a variety of sounds, including clicks, whistles, and body language? Each dolphin has a unique signature whistle, akin to a name. They are social animals and live in groups called pods, consisting of a few dolphins to over 1,000. Much like humans, they can remember both positive and negative interactions with individuals, so it's theorized they can even hold a grudge. Many dolphin species are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss, pollution, and fishing practices. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect them and their habitats. Subscribe for more animal facts. Did you know? Impalas are social animals that live in herds, typically consisting of females and their young, while males often form bachelor groups or are solitary. Impalas are known for their incredible agility and can leap up to 3 meters, 10 feet high, and cover 9 meters, 30 feet, distances in a single bound, or 3 American alligators long. They are herbivores, primarily grazing on grasses, but they also eat leaves and shoots, especially during the dry season. Impalas are currently classified as least concern by the IUCN, but they face threats from habitat loss and hunting in some areas. Subscribe for more animal facts. Did you know? Anacondas have a prominent place in folklore and mythology in many South American cultures, often depicted as powerful and fearsome creatures. While they are not venomous, anacondas kill their prey through constriction, wrapping their bodies around the prey and squeezing until it suffocates. Anacondas are semi-aquatic and are often found in water. They are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath underwater for extended periods. They are solitary creatures and are mostly nocturnal, hunting at night or during the early morning hours. Subscribe for more animal facts. Did you know? Narwhals are known for their long spiral tusk, which is actually an elongated tooth that can grow up to 3 meters, 10 feet long, predominantly found in males. They are social animals and often travel in groups known as pods, typically consisting of 10 to 20 individuals. Narwhals can live for several decades, with estimates suggesting a lifespan of around 30 to 50 years in the wild. Although narwhals face threats from climate change, as well as from hunting and industrial activities in the Arctic region, they're currently listed as least concern. Subscribe for more animal facts. Did you know? Apes are known for their advanced cognitive abilities. They can use tools, solve complex problems, and even learn sign language. They're highly social animals. They live in family groups and exhibit complex social behaviors, including grooming and forming alliances. Some ape species exhibit cultural behaviors, such as using specific tools for tasks like cracking nuts, which can vary between different groups of the same species. According to the IUCN, 27 members of the Hominidae and Hylobatidae families are classified as critically endangered. Subscribe for more animal facts. Did you know? Tigers are the largest species of wildcat, with some males weighing up to 300 kilograms, 660 pounds, and measuring over 3 meters, 10 feet in length, including their tail. Tigers can be found in various habitats, including tropical forests, grasslands, and savannas. They primarily inhabit areas in Asia, particularly in India, Siberia, and Southeast Asia. They're classified as endangered, and their populations are declining due to habitat loss, poaching, and human conflicts. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their habitats and reduce poaching. Subscribe for more animal facts. Did you know? Raccoons are known for their high intelligence and problem-solving abilities. They can remember solutions to tasks for up to 3 years. Raccoons have a varied diet, including fruits, nuts, insects, and small animals. They are opportunistic feeders and will eat whatever is available. Raccoons have a well-developed sense of touch, which is enhanced by the sensitive pads on their paws. This helps them explore their surroundings. Although raccoons are classified as least concern by the IUCN, the pygmy raccoon or Cozumel raccoon is classified as critically endangered. Subscribe for more animal facts. Did you know? Red pandas are classified as Ailurus fulgens and are part of the family Ailuridae, distinct from giant pandas, which belong to the bear family, Ursidae. Their long, thick tails help them maintain balance while climbing and keep warm in cold weather. Red pandas are generally solitary creatures, coming together only during the mating season, which occurs in the winter. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, classifies them as endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Subscribe for more animal facts.